Today we are going to learn about automating Google Drive searches with n8n and AI. You will discover how to create efficient, automated workflows to manage and search documents stored on Google Drive without needing to code. Welcome to this video on automating Google Drive searches using n8n and AI. In this session, we'll explore how automation can transform your workflow by integrating Google Drive with n8n and AI tools. Automation is a game changer in managing digital tasks, allowing you to focus on more critical activities by streamlining repetitive processes. With n8n, a no-code automation tool, and AI technologies, we can create intelligent workflows that enhance data retrieval from cloud storage effortlessly. Over the next 15 minutes, you'll learn how to set up Google Drive for integration, configure API access, build basic workflows, and incorporate AI for smarter search capabilities. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of automation for your professional needs. No-code automation tools have revolutionized the way we approach digital tasks. Among these, n8n stands out with its flexibility and user-friendly interface. n8n allows you to automate complex workflows without writing a single line of code. It offers a wide range of pre-built nodes that can be easily configured to perform various tasks, from sending emails to interacting with APIs. Compared to other automation tools, n8n provides a highly customizable experience, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. For professionals who lack programming skills, n8n is a powerful ally in creating efficient workflows. In this block, we'll explore how to set up your n8n environment and begin building your first automation project. Before we can automate Google Drive searches, it's essential to prepare your Google Drive environment. Start by creating a dedicated folder where all files you wish to automate will be stored. Organizing your files into logical categories will help streamline the search process. Implementing a consistent file naming convention can significantly enhance the efficiency of your workflows. Structured data in your Google Drive ensures that your automation scripts access the correct files quickly and accurately. By setting up a well-organized Google Drive, you lay the groundwork for a successful integration with n8n and AI, ensuring that your searches are precise and efficient.
To integrate Google Drive with n8n, we need to set up API access through the Google Cloud Console. Begin by creating a new project within the console, which will serve as the foundation for your API interactions. Next, enable the Google Drive API, allowing your applications to access and manipulate files stored in Google Drive. Once enabled, generate API credentials to authenticate your requests securely. Ensure that your API keys are stored securely to prevent unauthorized access. By setting up these credentials, you create a secure channel for n8n to interact with your Google Drive, paving the way for seamless automation.
With your Google Drive ready and API access configured, it's time to build a basic n8n workflow. Start by creating a new workflow in n8n, which will serve as the blueprint for your automation process. In n8n, workflows are built using nodes, which are individual tasks or actions. Connect these nodes to create a sequence that performs your desired operations. Add a Google Drive node to your workflow, which will handle the interaction with your cloud storage. Configure the node with search parameters, such as file name or type, to define what you're looking for. Finally, test your workflow to ensure everything is working as expected. By the end of this block, you'll have a functioning workflow that can search Google Drive autonomously. To elevate your automation workflows, consider incorporating AI models. AI can significantly enhance search capabilities by offering intelligent insights and pattern recognition. Choose AI models that suit your specific needs, such as natural language processing or machine learning algorithms. Integrating AI with n8n involves setting up an additional node that processes search queries using your chosen AI model. This setup improves the accuracy of search results by understanding context and intent. AI-driven searches not only save time but also provide more relevant outcomes, making your workflows smarter and more efficient.
Effective file searching relies on precise filters and parameters. In this block, we'll delve into handling file filters within your n8n workflows. Begin by identifying the key attributes of the files you wish to search, such as file type, date modified, or specific keywords. Configure these attributes as search criteria within your Google Drive node. Customizing these parameters allows you to refine your search, ensuring that you retrieve only the most relevant files. By maintaining efficient search parameters, you optimize both the speed and accuracy of your automation workflows, making data retrieval as seamless as possible.
Automating notifications and alerts is crucial for keeping track of your search results in real time. In this segment, we'll explore how to set up alerts that notify you when specific files are found or when certain conditions are met. Start by determining your preferred method of notification, be it email, SMS, or through collaboration tools like Slack. Integrate these communication methods into your n8n workflow, ensuring that alerts are sent automatically based on your predefined conditions. By configuring these alerts, you ensure that you receive timely updates, allowing you to act swiftly on important search results.
Data security is paramount when automating processes involving sensitive information. In this block, we'll cover how to secure your data and manage permissions effectively. Begin by setting appropriate permissions for your Google Drive files, ensuring that only authorized individuals have access. Regularly review these permissions to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, manage your API access by rotating credentials and monitoring usage patterns. Conduct regular security audits to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. By prioritizing data security, you protect your workflows from breaches and ensure compliance with organizational policies. As we conclude this video, let's recap what we've learned about automating Google Drive searches with n8n and AI. We've explored the benefits of no-code automation tools and how they empower professionals without programming skills to build efficient workflows. By integrating AI, we've enhanced search capabilities, making data retrieval smarter and faster. Armed with this knowledge, you're now equipped to streamline your digital tasks and unlock the full potential of automation. I encourage you to implement these strategies in your own workflows and explore the endless possibilities that automation offers. Thank you for joining us, and happy automating!